Hey everybody, you're on the GeekBox YouTube channel. Today I will tell you how to cast iPad to Fire Stick. Let's go. Open settings. Network. Check your network. Your iPad and your Fire Stick must be connected to the same Wi-Fi network. Find and install airscreen app. Continue. Scan QR code. Open screen mirroring. Choose your Fire Stick. That's it. Now you know how to cast iPad to Fire Stick. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe to the channel. Good luck and see you soon.